Can you solve all these nuclear chemistry questions? The sun is powered by. Confident and correct. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear medicine uses. That's it. Radioactive pharmaceuticals. Reaction involving the nucleus. Excellent reasoning. Nuclear reaction. How does the sun produce energy? Thoughtful answer. Nuclear fusion. 15. Complete the nuclear reaction. Strong answer. Option 3. Which process produces alpha particles? Yes, alpha decay is right. Nuclear radiation that occurs naturally. Perfect choice. Background radiation. Dash is the splitting of atomic nuclei. That's accurate. Fission. Nuclear power uses dash to create energy. Solid response. Uranium. How is plutonium used in a practical way? Very good. Nuclear reactors. Nuclear dash occurs naturally on the sun. Accurate answer. Fusion. In nuclear reactions, changes occur to the nucleus, which releases a greater amount of energy. Well-reasoned. Nuclear fusion. What is the nuclear symbol for a positron? Precise answer. Zur. Plus 1b. 12. The splitting of nuclei is known as dash. On track. Nuclear fission. Makes plutonium-239 and makes more than you. Correct response. Breeder reactor. Which nuclear emission has the greatest mass? Well expressed. Alpha particle. What mineral is used to create nuclear power? Well articulated. Uranium. What isotope is used in nuclear power plants? Uranium-235. Which nuclear particle has the greatest mass? Smart thinking. Alpha. In a nuclear reactor, what slows down neutrons? Commendable response. Moderator. This type of nuclear decay has the lowest mass. Well done. Which country tested the most nuclear weapons? Right, United States. A high-energy photon emitted by a radioisotope. Outstanding effort. Gamma ray. The goal in chemistry is always to become more. Stable is correct. Nuclear power plants generate electricity from. Excellent work. Nuclear fission. Uses radiation to destroy targeted cancer cells. Clear and correct. Nuclear medicine. Nuclear reactions that emit a helium nucleus is. Logical choice. Alpha. During nuclear reactions, mass is converted into. Nicely done, Ergy. What is the release of radioactive waste called? Keep it up. Radioactive decay. Which nuclear reaction releases the most energy? You got it, fusion! Which type of nuclear decay has the symbol Zo plus 1e? Nice work, positron. Which nuclear emission has no charge and no mass? Great job, gamma particle! In nuclear chemistry, an atom is referred to as a. Good job, nuclide! What turns the turbines in a nuclear power plant? Right choice, steam. Which type of nuclear reaction occurs on the sun? Well supported, fusion. Nuclear chemistry involves the change in the dash. Nucleus, great work. Complete the nuclear reaction 85209 equal to dash plus 24. 83205. Breaking up the nucleus of an atom is called dash. Fission, well done. This type of nuclear decay is the least penetrating. For alpha decay, how is the gamma ray written in a nuclear equation? Well sewed and see. What is needed to start a nuclear fission reaction? Exactly, a neutron. What kind of radiation does nuclear fission release? Gamma, well done. The radiation emitted by radioisotopes is called dash. Nice work ionizing radiation. The most penetrating form of nuclear radiation is dash. Gamma rays. What is the main product of nuclear fusion in the sun? Outstanding effort, helium. The energy from the sun is created by a process called well-articulated nuclear fusion. Reactions that affect the nucleus of an atom are called excellent work, nuclear reactions. Stars are the result of gravitational pull on gases and perfect choice, nuclear fusion. In a nuclear reactor, the radioisotope U-235 serves as a well-reasoned, fissionable material. The belt of nuclear stability ends with the element dash. Precise answer, bismuth. Which part of nuclear power plant turns water into steam? Confident and correct, steam generator. What is the primary fuel used in nuclear fission reactors? Great job, you're any fine. During fission, some of the nuclear mass is converted into nicely done, energy. Which nuclear emission has the greatest penetrating power? Right choice, gamma radiation. Which of the following is not a type of nuclear radiation? Commendable response, rays. What type of material surrounds most nuclear power plants? Excellent reasoning, concrete. Which of the following is not an example of nuclear decay? You got it, kappa decay. The process used to determine the age of rocks and fossils. Well done, carbon dating. Which of the following elements will undergo nuclear fusion? Logical choice, hydrogen. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Correct response, contact Narayan Changder.